Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Eclairs' easy recipe easy guide. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F and line a baking tray, then heat milk and butter to form the choux base, add eggs off heat, pipe 3. 5-inch logs, bake until puffed and golden, cool completely, split and fill with pastry cream, and finish with warm chocolate glaze for a classic, impressive result. Mastering choux pastry is easier than you think when you follow a few simple steps and timing cues, so stay calm and precise. Measure flour and liquids, bring to a rolling boil, stir vigorously to form a smooth ball, cool briefly, then beat eggs one at a time until glossy and pipeable. Space shells evenly, watch them bake without opening the oven, and test for hollow sound before cooling completely. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like this video to help more bakers discover easy eclair recipes. I also want to mention a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which offers clear principles for financial freedom in simple language. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick it up if curious, and now let's get back to the video. Pastry cream and ganache elevate eclairs, and simple swaps make them approachable for home bakers. Simmer milk with vanilla, temper egg yolks with sugar and cornstarch, return to heat until thick, chill until set for piping, and fold in butter for silkiness. For chocolate glaze, melt chocolate with cream, whisk smooth and pourable, dip filled eclairs, chill briefly to set, and enjoy the balanced textures of cream, shell, and glaze.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.